My title is General Manager of the Partner Experience Organization and the Microsoft for Startups team. That means I am responsible, my team and I are responsible for figuring out how do we solve some of the systemic issues that are facing partners and startups in the Microsoft ecosystem. Microsoft is the antithesis of the company I ever thought I'd work for. It's definitely the biggest. I'd always worked for nonprofits and startups, so never larger than 30 people. And so that way its size and capacity is incredibly different. And so I started a nonprofit when I was 18 and did that till I was 26. And then at that, I went to business school, and then I was like, wow, there's a whole new world out there. And then, I just came to Microsoft on a very blind decision. I made 3 blind decisions in my life: coming to Microsoft, going to school at UW, and then adopting my 3 boys. And so those are 3 best decisions I ever made. Every year I evaluate my relationship with Microsoft and if it's a place I still want to stay. And every year I stay.
That's awesome.
So Microsoft has done a ton for me. I feel a tremendous amount of loyalty to the company. Everything from when I first started working here, when I had no idea the difference between an Intel chip and a potato chip, they just said, hey, we're gonna train you. You know, we love your tenacity, and for us, we can teach you anything you need to know about technology, and we can teach you anything you need to know about the industry, but we can't teach your tenacity. And so they made a bet on me really early without having a whole lot of skill set. And I love that every job I've ever had, I've never had a skill set for. They just put me in the job and say, go figure it out. And for me, that's one of the best things about Microsoft. For me, I think if you can be a utility player, it's great. I think everybody's trying to be a specialist these days. And for me, it's all about how well can this individual traverse any type of job. And so I would say, you know, while specialization is absolutely great, be a person who can move from job to job and who has the aptitude to be able to go learn something and is excited about that. I'd say just, you know, really think about the breadth and the wealth of things that you can go do and the art of the potential of your role. Don't define it to just being a marketer or just being a developer. Really think about all of the things that are interesting to you, and really focus on being a good utility player where somebody can throw you on any problem at any time and know that you'll go fix it.